Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to create this tag video because what we are going to do is I'm going to share to you 6 bags that I am so in love. However, for some reason, I couldn't just say yes and charge my credit card and add them to my collection. So if you want to know the reasons why I couldn't find myself buying these very beautiful bags, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so the reason why I wanted to share this video to you guys is because currently I'm on the process of updating my luxury wish list, and I wanted to be very careful in choosing what I wanted to add to my wish list because definitely I would want to achieve them and be able to have a more well curated and bags that I would really love and really use most of the time. That is why the 6 bags that I will be sharing to you guys, really guys, I so love these bags. I have been thinking of them for a while now. You know, every time I would see them on the stores, I would be checking them out, and I'm this close, honestly, I'm this close to be swiping my credit card and adding them to my collection. However, with careful research, I'm able to figure out that maybe these bags are not for me. So guys, if there would be bags here that I would be mentioning and you have them on your collection, please let me know. If you know I am wrong with the reasons why I am saying no, please let me know if they are really good bags to add to my collection, or comment down below if I am correct of holding back and looking at other bags to add to my collection. So again guys, I am creating this tag video. Hopefully there's not one out there yet, so I will be tagging names down below on the description box, and please tag me if you're going to do this video. This is open invitation to everyone, so let us begin. So for bag number 1, it would be the very beautiful Fendi Baguette. So you know guys how much I am in love with the house of Fendi. In my collection, I have a couple of Fendi bags as well, and currently I have one Baguette bag. However, it is a micro bag. You know, I super love that micro baguette bag. Unfortunately, it's a little bit small, but I'm planning to use it in the future. I'll be doing a double bagging so I could use it more. So for the newer Fendi Baguette, so as beautiful as it is, as you know guys, I have done a couple of shopping vlogs at our local Fendi shops, and I would always look at the Fendi Baguettes because I super love this bag. However, here are a couple of reasons why I couldn't find myself, you know, adding this very beautiful bag to my collection. So con number 1 would be the price. So the mini one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the price is around 120,000 Philippine pesos, and then the medium size is around 160,000. So I feel the price is too steep for this bag. Con number 2, the material of this one. Of course, if I would be paying 120,000 for the mini or 160k for the medium, I would be choosing the leather version because if I'm not mistaken, again, the leather version in the Zuka jacquard material is the same price, so I would be choosing definitely the leather material. But because the Fendi Baguette is made of the very soft and very supple Nappa leather, it doesn't have any structure at all, especially at the bottom part and at the side part. I'm not really sure with their construction, but it doesn't come with something that would support, you know, the weight of what you're going to put in. So I've seen a couple of reviews of the Fendi Baguettes, and when they're stuffing their bags, it would sag on the bottom part. And for me guys, one of my qualification or checklist for a bag, it should be really structured and hold the you know, its structure, and plus with, you know, being it very soft, very malleable, then definitely creases would be inevitable. So again guys, for me, I'm just being, you know, wanted to be careful with my bag. Very expensive bag, so definitely if it's very expensive, I would want it to be a forever bag in my collection. Right, so for bag number 2 would be the YSL Cassandra top handle bag. So guys, if you have been watching me for a while now, you know how much I have a huge crush on YSL Cassandra top handle. So just like the Fendi Baguette, every time I would be visiting our YSL store, I would constantly stock this bag. You know, because I don't have this kind of bag yet, the Kelly kind of bag, and I really love this bag. Unfortunately, there are a few cons why I still am not adding this bag to my collection. So the very first one, of course, would be the price. I'm waiting for this bag honestly to go on sale, because as you know guys, YSL, most of the time they would have on sale, and on other countries they have the YSL outlet. So who knows, maybe on my next travel, we are planning to travel maybe next year, we could go to an outlet of YSL, and who knows, I would be lucky and find Cassandra top handle on one of the outlet stores, or maybe I could get it on sale from any online shops. And the next con of this bag that I wish they would be improving on their, if they're going to redo the Cassandra top handle, would be how they're doing the shoulder strap. So I've checked this one on my last trip to YSL, and I've asked the CA if this is detachable. So good thing that the strap is detachable, but it's a little bit difficult because it's like the screw one. So I'm going to put a video here, because I really don't love this, how they added the strap. I would be removing it in, you know, basically if I would be purchasing this bag. I wish that it would be as chic as how, you know, Hermes is doing their Kelly and adding their bag strap. And the con number 3 that I never knew existed, not until I've done careful research, is, you know, the people who have the Cassandra top handle, they are complaining how difficult it is to close the bag, because when you open it, you know, the mechanism, the opening and closing mechanism of the Cassandra top handle is very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful and very one of a kind. You're going to like flip it like this, and you would be able to open the bag. However, closing it, you know, you would need to carefully latch the bag to the closure to be able to do it. However, doing it, you know, like for example, if you're in a hurry, they would be having difficulty in closing the bag, which made me really think, oh, do I love the bag? Can I spend like, you know, 120 to 160k pesos and then have difficulty in closing the bag? So, you know, it got me thinking if I still really want to add this bag to my collection. Alright, for bag number 3, so I promise it's just one bag, but it is any bags from Bottega Veneta. So I'm so sorry guys if you have any of these bags. This is just my personal opinion. So again guys, I love Bottega Veneta bags. I've seen them, I've touched them, I've carried them every time I would be visiting our Bottega stores, and I am amazed on the very beautiful construction that they are doing, plus this very supple leather. Yum, right? Unfortunately guys, one of the main con that I'm not purchasing any of the Bottega bag is because most of the bags that they are coming out are just trend. So as you know me guys, I have lots of trendy bags, and I feel I'm on the stage of my bag collecting years wherein I'm done collecting trendy bags, because I would enjoy these very beautiful yet trendy bags maybe 1-2 years tops. Unfortunately, after a couple of years, you know, I would be moving on to more bags that is maybe suited on my style. So definitely what I would do, so I would be purging that bag and would be trying to sell it. And of course, selling, you know, bags that are not on trend, or maybe trendy bags are very difficult to sell, and if you could sell them, definitely it is already a money loss. So as beautiful as Bottega bags are, how beautiful, well crafted, and very beautiful materials that they are using, I would not want to add any any Bottega bag to my collection unless someone would be gifting me these very beautiful bags. Alright, so for bag number 4, it would be the Lady Dior. So guys, this may still change. So remember with my last visit to Dior with a super kind TA from Dior, he showed me most of the Lady Diors that they have on store. And before that visit, I was really not paying attention to the Lady Diors because I felt it wasn't my style. But after carefully inspecting and looking at the mini Lady Dior, OMG, I immediately fell in love and I really want to take home to and add it to my collection. But one of the major con of the Lady Dior is the price. It is super expensive. I feel it's not just me, right guys? I've seen a couple of videos. They're saying that the Lady Dior, or actually any Dior bags are a little bit too pricey. So it's here in the Philippines, the mini is around 285,000 Philippine pesos. Actually guys, I'm okay with the price. What I am not okay with is the resale value of Lady Dior's, because of course, like what I mentioned earlier, I'm trying to curate my collection wherein I would be enjoying it for years and years and years to come. So I'm trying to collect more of the classic pieces, and if ever I would be purchasing something, then if I would be selling it, then I'm wishing and praying that I would get as much money in what I've invested. And my research, I know for a fact that Lady Dior doesn't hold value that much. But guys, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure many of you guys have Lady Dior's. Please let me know that I should add a Lady Dior to my collection. Remember guys, this is just a part 1 because next week I'm going to share to you now my updated luxury wish list. Maybe Lady Dior would be there. Alright, for bag number 5, it would be from Louis Vuitton, and it is the Alma PM or the GM. So this one guys, I really love the larger version of the Alma. I'm not really sure what size Paris Hilton in Kim Kardashian is wearing. I think that's the PM or the GM. Please comment down below guys. But I love this larger version because like what I mentioned, I don't have like these kind of large bags, and I feel it suits well my style. The only con of this bag again would be, just like most of the con of this entirety of the vlog, would be the resale value, because right now the vintage market of the Alma, I'm seeing as low as 25,000 pesos. You could already have your very own Louis Vuitton Alma. But I super love the style of this one guys. Please let me know again if I'm wrong here that I should add an Alma to my collection. And last but not the least guys, bag number 6 would be of course from Hermes. How could I not add Hermes? Because it's every bag collector's dream to add at least one, and for me it would be a Kelly 25. Unfortunately guys, this is a very beautiful bag, no question asked. Quality, material, customer service, A+, right? Unfortunately, there would be a few cons why I would want to slash it out of my luxury wishes. Number 1, of course, would be the price. So, of course, purchasing at Hermes directly. So we have our Hermes store here, and I am not ready to play the Hermes game. I'm not, of course, on that level where I could do that financially, of course. And then, of course, I could get it on the pre-love or at the resale market. However, the price is too steep. I feel that I have to draw the line somewhere, and I feel that for me, it is too much. It's a little bit expensive just to be purchasing an Hermes Kelly bag. So, what do you think, guys? Please let me know for the Hermes collectors out there. Alright guys, so again, this is a tag video. I will be putting names down here in the description box, but then again, this is an open invitation to each and every one of you guys. If you are going to do this video, please tag me. I would love to watch it in the future. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me guys in this episode. Please watch out for part 2 next week. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you. Bye!